on the guitar, everybody. Keats always asks me to play this, so I'm going to play it.
Oh, good. Yeah, thank you.
What is it?
Good time.
Well, she's walking through the clouds. The circus mind is running wild. With the flies and the zebras moving, narrating all she ever thinks about, riding with the wind. Long and sad comes to me with 1,000 smiles to give me. It's alright, she said, it's alright. Take anything you want from me. Yeah. The circus mind that's running wild. On the fires and zebras and moonbeams, fairy tale she ever thinks about, riding with the wind. Take anything you want from me. Anything.
I'll put a warning up for you.
for me. Say what, say not to see. Oh, yeah, ain't got that love for me. Alone. And I had me shown somebody done me. And now I see what you're doing, brother. Keep ahead of me. When I get burnt out to myself. And I want from love, you know you got to have it, baby. See, got to have love for me. Say what, say not to see. Oh, got to have love for me. Cause when you walk with them, you know you draw a crowd, baby. That's how good for me, yeah. Say what, say not, see. Wow, that's how good for me, yeah. Very much. Thank you, Keats Co.
How about that Rob Poy song, guys? Everybody give it up for one more time.
Nice job, Ron.
No, my parents. Not ruling that out. It's entirely possible. My grandfather had we were four brothers, and I have no idea what. But we're talking about a guy that was in World War I.
head to move. That's why every week I am on my bed and knees. Don't you come around here anymore. Myself and green went down to the sea. She was going down, down. Read between the lines. You know, it's falling, falling, falling. I turn around and see. Every voice is calling, calling. Calling after me. I have to move, really have to move. That's why every week I am on my bed with me. Don't you come around here anymore. Oh yeah. Ready to rainstorm. Flew back into a bundle. So that pouring, not a drop on me. Test me, come on, come on. Why don't you rest me? Over into the chair till the sun goes down, till they go down. I have to move, really have to move. That's why every week I am on my bended knee. Don't you come around here anymore. There's no one keeps you. Don't you come around here anymore. And I had to move, really had to move. That's why I am on my baby knee. Bertha, don't you come around here anymore. And I had to move. Real hell to move. That's right, here to please. I am on my bending knee. Bertha, don't you come around here anymore. 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 We're in the second session now.
Alright, we're gonna get right into it. It seems like we're fighting against the storm over here. But we're gonna keep jamming as long as we can, because we love y'all. We're gonna try and play one more before the shit gets nuts, so everybody try and enjoy it before we have to run everything off the deck. We love y'all. Don't boat out, raise the silver. Come on up to crazy, start out like a dream. Chinese. One I chest like a diamond I jack. With all colors, these are golden. Straight fit up to a double waterfront in my bag. Good colors on the ride, in river crying, lean on the world, loud as silk, trombone, rain, silent bell, through a shower of pearls to an eagle, the palace of the queen, shining.
There's light there.